floor. We're going to do just 15 push-ups. 15 push-ups is easy, but we're going to do 15 military push-ups. These are 15 Marine push-ups. This is how we're going to do it. Just look first, then you're going to do it. It's 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. That's only 3 push-ups. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Begin. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 10. 1, 2, 3, 11. 1, 2, 3, 12. 1, 2, 3, 13. 1, 2, 3, 14. 1, 2, 3, 15. Everybody stand up. There's no laughing. Find something funny, actually. Sir, no, sir. This is a position of attention. Hands behind the seam of your pants, right here on the side. Everybody should be looking forward.